Butter chicken. Butter chicken is one of the most famous Indian curries in the world, and surprisingly, it was created almost by accident in Delhi during the 1950s. Chefs mixed leftover tandoori chicken into a buttery tomato gravy filled with cream and spices so the meat would not go to waste. The curry quickly became popular because of its smooth orange color, smoky flavor, and creamy texture. Unlike many spicy Indian dishes, butter chicken tastes mild, buttery, and slightly sweet, making it perfect for people trying Indian food for the first time. Today, restaurants across the world serve their own version of butter chicken. A surprising fact is that many foreigners think all Indian curries taste similar to butter chicken, even though India has hundreds of completely different curry styles. People should care because this accidental recipe became one of the world's biggest comfort foods. Rogan Josh. Rogan Josh comes from the mountain region of Kashmir and is traditionally made with lamb or goat meat. The curry is famous for its deep red color created from Kashmiri chilies. Surprisingly, it usually looks much hotter than it actually tastes. Rogan Josh becomes special because the meat is slow-cooked for hours with spices like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, and fennel until it becomes tender and aromatic. The dish also carries Persian influence that entered Kashmir centuries ago through trade and invasions. In Kashmiri culture, Rogan Josh is often served during weddings and large celebrations. A surprising fact is that authentic Kashmiri Rogan Josh originally used no tomatoes, even though many modern restaurant versions add them. People should care because this curry reflects Kashmir's royal history and mountain food culture. Palak Paneer. Palak Paneer transforms spinach into a creamy green curry mixed with soft cubes of paneer, a fresh Indian cheese. The bright green color surprises many first-time viewers, but the flavor is smooth, mild, and comforting. The curry mainly comes from North India, where spinach and dairy are commonly used in home cooking. What makes Palak Paneer special is the balance between nutrition and flavor. Spinach adds iron and vitamins, while paneer provides protein and richness. In many Indian homes, this dish became a clever way to make children eat vegetables. A surprising problem is that overcooking spinach can ruin the curry's fresh green color and turn it bitter. People should care because Palak Paneer proves vegetarian food can feel healthy, rich, and deeply satisfying at the same time. Vindaloo. Vindaloo began in Goa after Portuguese traders introduced a vinegar-based meat dish centuries ago. Indian cooks later transformed it by adding local spices and chilies. Today, Vindaloo is famous for its spicy, tangy, and bold flavor. What makes it unique is that sourness is just as important as heat. Traditional Goan Vindaloo often use pork because of Portuguese influence, although chicken and lamb versions later became popular worldwide. The curry became especially famous in foreign restaurants where spicy food challenges made it even more popular. A surprising fact is that authentic Vindaloo is usually less spicy than the extreme restaurant versions served overseas. People should care because Vindaloo represents cultural fusion and global trade-changing Indian food forever. Chana Masala. Chana Masala is one of India's most loved everyday curries and is commonly sold by street vendors and restaurants across the country. The dish is made with chickpeas cooked in a spicy tomato and onion gravy flavored with cumin, garlic, ginger, and garam masala. The thick, reddish-brown sauce is rich, filling, and packed with flavor. What makes Chana Masala special is how simple ingredients become incredibly satisfying through spices alone. Many people enjoy it with rice, naan, or fried bread, called bhature. Since chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, the curry also became important for vegetarian diets. A surprising fact is that some recipes use dried mango powder to create a tangy taste without lemon. People should care because Chana Masala shows how simple street food became part of everyday Indian life. Korma. Korma is one of India's oldest royal curries and was strongly connected to Mughal kitchens centuries ago. Unlike fiery curries filled with chili heat, korma focuses on richness, softness, and aroma. Yogurt, cream, nuts, onions, and gentle spices create its smooth texture and luxurious flavor. Chicken, lamb, or vegetables slowly cook inside the creamy gravy until they become tender. The curry often appears pale yellow or golden instead of bright red like many other Indian dishes. In royal times, korma symbolized luxury because ingredients like saffron, nuts, and dairy were expensive. A surprising fact is that many restaurant versions outside India became sweeter than the original recipe. People should care because korma reveals the elegant and royal side of Indian cuisine. Fish curry. Fish curry changes completely depending on the coastal region of India. In Kerala, coconut milk creates creamy curries filled with curry leaves and tamarind. In Bengal, Mustard oil and mustard seeds dominate the flavor, while Goa adds vinegar and chilies for sharper taste. What makes Indian fish curry special is that there is no single version of the dish. Local spices, fresh seafood, and regional traditions constantly shape the curry in different ways. Most fish curries have vibrant orange, yellow, or red gravies filled with strong aroma. Coastal families often cook them using fish caught only hours earlier. A surprising fact is that some fish curries taste even better the next day because the spices continue blending overnight. People should care because fish curry reflects India's incredible regional diversity better than almost any other dish. Dal Makhani. Dal Makhani is made using black lentils and beans, slowly cooked for hours until they become thick and creamy. Butter and cream are added near the end to create its rich, smoky flavor. The curry may look simple at first, but the taste becomes deep and comforting through patience alone. What makes Dal Makhani special is that very basic ingredients are transformed completely through slow cooking. In Punjabi culture, the dish became strongly connected to celebrations, family gatherings, and restaurant dining. Many restaurants allow the lentils to simmer overnight to create smoother texture and stronger flavor. A surprising fact is that some traditional versions use charcoal smoke to create extra aroma, impossible to achieve quickly. People should care because Dal Makhani proves simple ingredients can become extraordinary through time, patience, and tradition.